I was not starting to record this early, but because my trade is kind of climbing now, I don't know, I might hold it all the way up here for like roughly 3R as you can see, or I might just take it at 2R, but we'll see. We'll see if this momentum continues. I want to see why, okay, so why it was also climbing. It did take out this consolidation low, got CISD, and then continuation through, a lot of low resistance above. I kind of entered this prematurely, because this is the reversal and I should have entered at the continuation. So really and truly, I should have entered once this candle closes above, but I entered prematurely because, to be honest, I could have gotten a better entry down here, but it is what it is. This is fine because this is also low resistance. So, I mean, it's just a matter of, and this is all low resistance, so it's really, the price should just cut through this like butter. I ideally want to hold until up here, but I only need 2R technically speaking. So, I don't know, we'll have to see. I hope, what I'm hoping is that we don't see any crazy sell-off, because I did enter this like 8:30. We don't have any news at 8:30. We had 7:30 news, which is pretty weak, but no 8:30 news. So, I'm hoping that we can continue this upward grind here, and we don't get any crazy sell-off. Yeah, I kind of just want to keep seeing upward candles. Now, let me check the 30-minute real quick. Because I'm not operating technically. This candle should be a C2 because we have an SMT with this candle here because it took out this consolidation. So there's an SMT between this candle and this candle here. Or should I say this candle and this candle? Sorry, this candle and this candle. So this and this. So let me write that out here. So it should be something like this because this candle technically took the lows of that candle. So I'm treating this as a C2 candle and this as a C3 expansion. To be honest, I could have already been done if I entered this on the 1 minute, but it is what it is. I'm looking for the day to overall expand. And I'm not worried about this pullback. Oh, actually, maybe I should be. There's an SMT here. We'll see. The reason why I'm not too worried is because we just have so much low resistance. It doesn't make any sense to have such a huge pullback. But I did realize that I thought NQ would be relatively strong. But for some reason, it looks like the relatively weakest one out of the triad right now, which is kind of annoying. Yeah, I'm not liking this, but it's fine. I'm not, because ideally we'd want to see price hold here. And again, I wouldn't really want to see, oh crap, you can't even freaking see my line. So I want to see price hold at the EQ of this, because quite frankly, if it closes through the EQ of this, I might have to collapse the trade. Reason being is that this is an order block that should hold. So this fair value gap plus this OB should hold. Now, for example, if it closes below this, I might have to collapse the trade. Reason being is because we want to see price continuously supported higher. We don't want to see price close below this because this kind of invalidates this OB, which means that it could just continuously continue lower. And we don't want to see that, especially if we're treating, that hourly candle or that 30-minute candle as a C2. So this should be a C3 expansion. But right now we did have a SMT put in. I personally think it's fake. One, we don't have a swing point at the highs. We can also check the 15-minute. Oh shit, actually, on NQ it's looking like it's putting in a 15-minute C2, which I'm not a fan of. ES is pretty resilient. NQ, I don't know why, but it's just showing the relative weakness between all of the triad, which is kind of concerning. We'll have to see. I definitely think my idea is going to work out. I think what could make or break this is just the asset I chose to trade this on. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. We will see how it goes. I really don't want to see NQ come all the way back down, to be honest. I wanted to see NQ with the relative strength. ES actually had a really good intent closure over this OB while NQ kind of struggled. So that's not really a good sign, but I want to see a close over this. Oops. This OB here. Let's make that, what the helly? Sorry. Let's make that thick. Oh, not that thick. And let's change the color. this like nice green. It did not change. Does that look green to you? No, it does not. Maybe I'm not touching the right thing. It is green, but it doesn't look green. What about blue? Yo, that line is not changing color. You can... That's the text. I want to change the line color. What the hell? Bro. Does TradingView not allow you to change the line color? Oh, here we go. I'm going to use blue today. I want to see a close over this OB. Because then it would support price higher. I really entered this prematurely, bro. I don't know. We'll see. I want to see structure supported. And also, I wouldn't be mad at a strength switch, to be honest. Because NQ right now is relatively weaker, as seen by this SMT here. This is a SMT OB, which is cool, but not this. This is, you know. So I would really like to see strength flipped into NQ. And how do we know that strength gets flipped? By putting in an SMT. Right now, ES is making equal lows, which is interesting. So we'll probably come revisit that. But I'm just hoping that if ES comes back lower to take this out, it doesn't drag NQ down with it. YM is... Yo, YM is popping off, bro. What the hell? Yo, the relative strength on YM is looking pretty good, to be honest. The first CISD closed nicely. Well, it actually closes equal highs, kind of. And then we have our continuation. It kind of lagged a little bit like NQ. I don't want to see consolidation here, to be honest. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see a consolidation. Why the hell does it look like we're going to consolidate? Oh, I don't want to see that. Well, actually, we have SMT here. Yeah, this is the difference between, like, trading live and trading backtesting. There's not much difference, you know? There's not much difference between backtesting and trading live. Just, that's my personal opinion. Maybe some people see the difference. I don't. But there is one difference that I think I do need to work on by trading live markets. And, whoa, I just slurred my words. There's one difference that I do need to work on by trading live markets. And it's the fact that live trading is just so much slower. So much slower than backtesting. Backtesting, you could just like click, and you'd already know the result of the trade, whether it works out or not. But here I have to be like, I have to wait through all of this. I have to wait through all this back and forth. And I mean, not only that, I am trading at a slower time. I'm not liking the fact that NQ is looking like it's trying to put in a 50-minute C2. Like, what? While these assets are just expanding. Like, why is NQ the weakest? Oh my god, NQ is failing me right now. Come on, NQ, don't do this to me, please. And I don't know why every time I go down to the lower time frame, this stupid thing brings me all the way across the earth. And I have to, like, oh my god, look at this. Freaking ridiculous. This is, oh no. Okay, so this is, okay, actually, this might not be a bad thing. So we are in a 1 minute not inverse fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap. So it's definitely a consolidation, as I said. All we need to do is maybe take out here. I don't want to see us have crazy drawdown. We could even put in an SMT here. And then use that to go up higher again. But what asset is going to... Oh my god. NQ is showing relative weakness, and I don't like that. See, we just put in another Actually, no, this is equal highs. So, equal highs is good. Reason being is it supports our long thesis, right? Because we don't want to see equal highs in the market. And that means that we're going to revisit here. And then we also have equal highs here as well. A lot of low resistance. We're creating low resistance as we're kind of coming back down. So yeah. This would have been the best 1 minute entry though, to be honest, right here. This would have... Oh shit, what the hell just happened? I would have been already done today. Oh shit, hold on. No, come on. Push. Confirm. Wait, it didn't update. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Holy son of a bitch. Come on, NQ. I moved it and it didn't update on me. It's fine. It'll probably update. I didn't even see that. We had news? Bro, there's no news here. What happened? See, all these took their draw. Oh my god. Yo, NQ, don't do this to me, bro. Don't do this to me, bro. If I took it at 2R, but why didn't it? That means YM took it too. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Oh, am I out? Wait. Oh, discard. No, it just got modified to 1.7, 2.75. Honestly, I wouldn't be mad at it. I'm gonna keep it, just because it's struggling a little bit, and I don't like that. Come on, you can do it. Come on, bro. I guess I'll be done early. Come on, push, push, push. Son of a bitch. Again, there's no 8:30 news. I don't know what happened. Please, I don't want to see it come back in this. Come on, push. I don't want to move to break even. There's no reason it should come back here. Come on, come on. I'm gonna move this to break even. No reason to. Actually, hold on. So close, bro. Yo, this would be the craziest edge. Or should I just take profit? I mean, it's already at like. Hold on a second. Let's discard this. I might just take. Oh, never mind. It hit it. It hit it. It hit it. Can this take me out of the trade already? Shit, I fucking hate trading views sometimes, bro. I should have just held it until the 3R, but it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, shit. Crazy run. Crazy run. Peter 3. Peter. I didn't see. I didn't see any E30 volatility. Surprised me. Haha, Blake, great work. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. Have you taken the shade? Then I'm in one of these. I didn't see it either. Quality surprised me. Blake, great work. Let's go. Thank you. Big news, man. All good, bro. You're learning. I didn't see any 830 news. Oh, it surprised me. Crazy run. 2.7R. I didn't see any 830 news. Oh, it's right. NFP. Ha 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 ha. Great, great. Learn from the best. Facts. 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 2.7R. Crazy run. 2.7R. Stayed out. Facts. I didn't see any 830 news. Oh shit. There was news? I didn't see any 830 news. What? NFP. NFP? This is saying 830 for me. Facts. Nah, there was logic for longs, bro. This could go. Nah, there was logic for longs, bro. Driver logic. Crazy run 2.7R. Crazy run 2.7R. Oh my god, I'm looking at Discord and I totally forgot I'm recording. Holy shit. Alright, guys. I was looking at Discord. I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, 2.7R. I should have just held that shit. It is what it is. A lot of low resistance, but it's all good. So, I mean, did I explain my logic coming into this day? I don't think so. I don't think so. There's actually more low resistance. We could actually continue going higher. To be honest, I'm good with that for the day. I just really finicky, like, you know, it took trading view, it takes a while for the order to get executed out, and it takes a while for my order to change, so it's kind of really annoying. Again, there's more logic to go higher, so probably consolidate and then go higher. Really fucking annoying, to be honest. But yeah, I don't know if y'all want me to explain the logic. Give me a second, because I'm like interacting with the Discord here. Entry. 50-minute, yeah, shit crazy, bro. Anyways, I really want to interact with the Discord. I don't know if I'm gonna call it here, guys. Yeah, let me see for a second. I took the weakest fucking asset, I swear to God. Weakest fucking asset. Fucking NQ. Shit. Anyways, sorry. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry for my language, bro. Oh my God. I'm doing everything else except for recording my YouTube video. Oh my God. Give me a second. Give me a second, guys. Sorry. Just trying to, you know, you know, I don't know. Maybe I'll call this, guys. You know, let me explain the logic real quick because I don't think I did that right. Let's just do it from the top down, real quick, real quick. All right, so on NQ and ES, we put in a C2, right? C2. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, it's GXT plus TTFM, Garrett times T trades, fractal model, so on and so forth, right? Go look it up. GXT has a YouTube channel. T trades, he has a YouTube channel. Go look it up. The fractal model, okay? So we have a C2, meaning this is a reversal. So we're expecting price to go higher. NQYM ended up taking that high yesterday, but we ended up consolidating. Consolidation is a continuation signature. So I'm looking at this, and then also we did take previous day's low, right? So there's an SMT between this candle and this candle, right? Coming into this day, we did take previous day's low. So this is also a trigger to go higher. Then we go down to the 4 hour, aligning our time frames together. What the frick? Okay, yeah. And then even though we don't have a 4 hour C2, we don't need one. We don't need one. So I'm here looking at the hourly. And then we put in an SMT between these candles, effectively making this candle a C2 candle to go higher, right? So basically, I'm just looking for another fractal, another C2. We ended up getting a C2 right here. So I ended up entering within, honestly, I ended up entering prematurely on this. Meaning, you know, how you confirm that this is a protected low. I'm kind of going really fast here, but how you confirm that this is a protected low is if you look at the CISD. If we close over the CISD, if you don't know what a CISD, please look it up on ICT. We close over the CISD, then we get a retracement. I entered prematurely, really. I should have really, to be honest, the real entry would have been here. So technically, I still got a better entry than what I would have gotten. But I also could have put my stop here. So actually, never mind. Probably could have got higher than 3R. It's whatever. It's whatever. But yeah, so I entered here prematurely. I was in drawdown a little bit, but as soon as 8:30 news came out, it just expanded. Mind you, again, this is giving 7:30. I don't know if the time zone for this is off. Holy shit. Is the time zone off? Because this is saying it's 7 and it's not. Oh. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna call it here. See you in the next one, man. W trade from my first live trade coming back to the market in a minute. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Sorry about that. I was just like, engaging with the community and all that stuff. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.